everyone, I'm Kicha. I cook, I eat, I'm hungry for more. Welcome to KichaTube HD. Today we are going to be making banana ladoos using ripe plantain, which are healthy and super yummy. So let's begin. First, let's add ghee. Let it heat up, add ripe plantain. It fries. Wow, because it's a liquid. You should fry it until it's mushy and golden color. And I think it's about done, just a little bit more. This looks so yummy. If it was not hot, I would just take it out of the pan and eat it. This itself I can just eat. It has got nice and mushy and a golden color. Let's add freshly grated coconut. Now fry a little bit. Cook for a few minutes. I mentioned it was healthy, right? So instead of sugar, we're going to be adding honey. Let's add cardamom powder. Let's also add fried cashew nuts and raisins. If you want, you can add almonds to this too. I fried it with ghee. Now switch it off and leave it to cool. The banana mix has cooled down. Next, let's roll it into balls. Let's coat the banana balls in crushed corn flakes and desiccated coconut. And we are done. And our banana ladoos are ready. Taste time. Very good. I love the texture. Very soft. Not so powdery like normal laddu. That makes it special. And it's super yummy, super easy to make, and it's a simple snack. You can also have it after school snack too. You wanna have one? Thanks for watching KichaTube HD. Don't forget to subscribe, like and follow in Facebook, YouTube and Twitter to KichaTube. Bye! Mwah.